Did you ever think an iPhone charger can be so cute that you would want to hug it? Or that the charger would put a smile on your face every time you plug in your device? Well, the Nexode RG charger is exactly that, and today we are going to unbox and review it for you. The Ugreen Nexode RG 65W USB-C GAN charger is a multi-port charger that is capable of charging up to 3 devices simultaneously. It claims to be Ugreen's first robot GAN fast charger. This charger comes in black and purple color options and an LED display, which we are going to talk about later in the video. It features 2 USB-C ports and a USB-A port. It is capable of outputting up to 65 watts. This makes the charger ideal for charging an iPhone, iPad and Apple Watch at the same time. However, this is not only an iPhone charger, as you can use it to charge your M2 MacBook Air from 0 to 51% in just 30 minutes. Now let's start the unboxing and see what you get inside the box. First thing you see inside the box is the charger itself. Now let's put the purple one aside and unbox the black one so we can compare the two. And there you have it folks, the Ugreen Nexode RG chargers in black and purple color options. Let's take out the black one out of the box and see how it looks. There you have it. On the front you have the LED display. There's a sticker on the display that we can remove. At the back you get 65W branding. These chargers come with covers that you can easily remove. The covers are attached magnetically to the charger, which makes them super easy to attach or detach. You can remove the cover when you want to charge your devices and put it back on when the charger is not in use or you are carrying the charger in a bag or a backpack. Now let's take a look at the purple charger. This is a more unique charger with a cute bow in the back, which signifies it is based on a female character. At the top of these chargers you get 3 USB ports. This includes 2 USB-C ports. The first USB-C port can output up to 65 watts while the second USB-C port maxes out at 30 watts. The USB-A port is also quite powerful and can output up to 22.5 watts. The charger feels quite light when held in hand. This makes it ideal for traveling and for storing in a backpack for those who need a charger for their on-the-go needs. The Nexode RG 65W charger is packed with safety features and comes with built-in protection for short circuits, overload, temperature and overvoltage. This means this charger is safe for you and your devices. Now let's take some USB cables and see how the charger looks when it is fully loaded with cables. But first, let's remove these stickers from the screen so we can see how the charger looks without them. Pretty neat. What I really like about this charger is that it is so small in size, yet it is capable of charging all my devices quite efficiently. I took this charger to a trip across the country and used it at the hotels I stayed at. The charger was able to charge my iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch and AirPods without any issues and did a remarkable job at keeping them up and running. While the charger I'm using for this review features UK type plugs, you can also get it in US style plugs from Ugreen's website. Now let's plug this charger to a power strip and see how it looks. As you would imagine, the Nexode RG charger looks really cute even when it is plugged into a power socket. The display on the charger puts a smile on your face. And as soon as you plug in your device, the display changes to the fast charging screen, signifying your device is currently charging. So guys, this was a look at the Ugreen Nexode RG 65W USB-C GAN fast charger that lets you charge up to 3 devices simultaneously and comes with a cute robotic design and an LED display. You can get the Ugreen Nexode RG 65W chargers in black and purple color options at a price of $49.99. The purchase links for this charger and a link to our full review are given in the description of this video. So guys, this was it for iOS Hacker. If you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. And I will catch you in our next video.